Want to find out how Microsoft Purview can save you time and potentially even money? Stay tuned. Number 1. Use DLP Policy Rules to encrypt emails that contain sensitive content. In a DLP rule of a DLP policy, you can scroll down and select Actions, and you can restrict access or encrypt the content in Microsoft 365 locations. When choosing encrypt email messages, applying to content only in Exchange, you can choose a protection setting, and you have the choice here of applying all of the sensitivity labels that you have set up in your organization, or you can choose the option to encrypt or do not forward. This gives you the control that you need using DLP to save you time and save your users that decision-making process, giving you the comfort that your emails are going to be appropriately protected when they contain that sensitive information. Number 2, use auto-labeling policies. Auto-labeling policies can be triggered by choosing the sensitive information type that you want, and then choosing a particular label to apply if there is matching content, as in this example, highly confidential. You can choose the locations where you want the label to apply in this scenario, and the common or advanced rules that will be implemented should there be a match to that sensitive information type. Again, this is going to save you time as an administrator and the users time and effort and understanding, so they don't have to apply the labels themselves. Number 3, use Compliance Manager assessments. There are a number of assessments available within Microsoft Purview, and you can select these based on regulation and run assessments against these, which will give you improvement actions that you can implement in order to secure your Microsoft 365 environment. This is obviously going to save you time, effort, and potentially money, as you have got these baselines in place for only the information that you need to protect against certain regions and against certain standards. So these are very, very powerful indeed, and I always encourage you to check out these regulations that are included in these Compliance Manager assessments. Number 4, Compliance Manager improvement actions. These are absolutely wonderful, and they provide guidance on task completion, which can improve your organization's compliance score. Action points can take up to 24 hours to update, however, so do be mindful of that. But as you can see, there are an absolute wealth of improvement actions that you can select from, and you can filter them based on ascending, on the service or the type of regulation, and many other ways of filtering. Click on each one to see what it's going to do for you and how you can implement it in your organization. And this is a really, really quick and simple way of getting to what you need to improve in your Microsoft 365 environment. It's going to be relevant to you, and you can quickly accept or dismiss these ones, assign them to different people in your organizations, provide the necessary evidence to show that you have completed them in the form of a document or a link, and it shows you any related controls to the ones that you select as well. Very, very powerful stuff indeed. Number 5, use Security Copilot within Microsoft Purview. In Purview, you can click on the Copilot button, and once it's enabled within your tenant, you can get access to prompting tips and use these to get information generated by AI with summaries of your Microsoft Purview activities. This works not only for Purview, but also for other Microsoft 365 products such as Defender and Entra as well, and also within your Azure portal. So very, very powerful indeed. It's going to save you time from trawling through alerts and things of that nature, and give you quick answers and guides to the things you need to find within your Microsoft 365 security products. And there you have it, 5 ways that you can save time and, hey, maybe even potentially some money on occasion using Microsoft Purview. Do check them out. Do let me know what you're doing with Microsoft Purview and how it has saved you that valuable time and effort that enables you to focus on other things in your day-to-day activities. So thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please give this video a like if you've enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on all things Microsoft 365 security, compliance, and identity. Hit me up in the comments. Always keen to hear what you have to say. Thanks so much for watching. You all take care, stay safe, and travel well. See you next time. Bye-bye.